I'm getting my eyebrows microbladed today. So I'm doing it with my cousin Isabella, and we're doing it in her house, and I'm gonna go through the process of doing it. And if you've known me at all, eyebrows are always something that I've been self-conscious about, and every time I don't draw them on like I have now, I always get asked if I'm tired or exhausted, which shouldn't even happen, I know, but yeah, I'm excited to kind of feel better about them. I hope it doesn't hurt. I'm excited, and I'm gonna take you on with me today, so wish me luck. I'm scared, but I'm gonna go for it. You know, I have nowhere to go but up. So when you plucked your eyebrows in the 90s, you would overpluck them until they looked like tadpoles.
Until they look like this.
Tadpoles. They look like this, and they never grew anymore. Hello. But we're here, and we're committing, and sometimes you have to do that. She's gonna draw, and then we're gonna go back and forth until we find the shape that we like.
Rianna,
Do you like the shape?
Hey, look here. Oh my gosh!
I put concealer and lipstick to match my new brows and my new life.
Do it.
I'm ready to be Rianna 2.0. Are you? Charot. She is the reason for my brows. In 1997, the very first time I ever went to the States.
How old are you?
She forced me to pluck my eyebrows at grade 7, and then nothing was left.
1997, I was literally 3 years old.
Yeah, but look at my eyebrows. I don't need. See? It's so nice. Wala. Oh, there's
I don't
nothing here.
naman.
I really don't need.
Rianna! It's so nice. You're so perfect.
Thank you. This is the shape. I'm ready. To be honest,
Your cell phone is reflective in the back. I can see how hard she's pressing.
your eyebrow
Stop!
is bleeding.
Stop!
Numbing cream. I've gotten tattoos before, but I feel more nervous because it's on my face. This is it. There's no turning back. Looking pretty dark there, though.
Love my brows.
Why do you face me?
I was
Cara Delevingne, where have you been?
Oh, I don't know. I just got my brows done.
She stopped being funny.
It's not an actual pain.
Hi guys. Ito na. Push. So this is the blade she's gonna use, and it's made up of like tiny little needles.
She's removing the...
I wanna know how dumb I am. Can you touch my brow?
Touch it. Touch the other side. Can you feel it? Stop. Hi, Rihanna's followers. I really get so awkward. These are mine. Finished. Obsessed. She's about to get her first sugat. You can't feel it, right?
That sound is still anything.
You can't, right?
Can I put that shit on my heart?
Ooh, brow strokes coming through.
It's super seen.
Yeah, but it's
Well-
also super bloody.
So it's honestly not bad at all. There are parts of it that sting a little bit. And it's more pressure than it is pain, but you know,
No, you're gonna feel it later.
it's worth it. So this is the general shape, and then later on she's gonna put color.
This is only step 1, by the way.
It's mahapde, pero you can feel na she is breaking the skin, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
She is putting anesthesia and some color.
And then after she's done applying it on this eyebrow, it's done!
Yeah. If you're asking if it hurts, heartbreak hurts more. Kaya, go lang guys. Push nyo yan. Kasi, like love, sulit din naman. John, what do you think hurts more? Microblading or heartbreak?
Heartbreak.
Hell yeah.
Wait, Mom, what was your... describe your heartbreak experience. The
Oh,
worst
that's so
one.
hard. Ang sakit nun.
Yeah,
Grabe.
this is nothing.
Parang you just wanna keep, especially if you love the person, you don't care na, you just go back and call him. Bahala na if mainit sa'yo. Ano mo yun?
Honestly, here we are.
Oh, fuck.
So, she is gonna fill it in more. Tama.
Insert the color.
Yeah, she's gonna insert the color. No, you don't understand. This has been like a problem. This has been a frigging problem. I'm emotional. What I'm really excited about is I can swim, guys! I can go to the beach and like it's gonna look like this, and I don't care if I have eye bags or whatever, but my eyebrows are ow. They're there. I'm on my period now, which apparently makes you a little bit more sensitive to pain. So that might be it. Although I've been told that also when I've gotten like waxes and stuff. So do it when you are not on your cycle. This is it. So this is the finished brow. Thank you. You changed my life.
You're welcome.
We're done. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm so excited because I can live na. Parang my life starting. This is how I feel. What I really...
What's the day today? July 18, 2018.
Honest-
You were reborn.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
So it's around a week or so after my microblading experience, and these are the final brows. So for around a week after the procedure, you had to cover them with petroleum jelly before you took a bath, before you went to sleep, just so I guess it bakes the color in there. And basically the procedure goes like this. She draws out the shape and you go over it. If you approve it, then she starts numbing it with the cream like you've seen at the video. And then after the numbing cream, she kind of outlines and kind of begins to break the skin for the ink to come in. She numbs it again, then she goes over it with like a lot of ink, wipes it off, and then actually places the color in. It wasn't as painful as it looked. If you saw the video, there was like a little bit of blood and everything, but the numbing cream made it really easy. Make sure that when you go get your brows microbladed, you've seen the work that they've done, and she's worked with a lot of Isabella's friends, so I was happy with that. If you've ever been curious about microblading, I really think that it was worth it for me because I had none. Please subscribe, like the video if you did, and until the next video, I'll see you again soon.